Angelina Jolie and her 6 children have been living in a breathtaking mansion in Los Feliz, California since 2017. Angelina and her family are living a luxurious lifestyle, and the extravagant mansion perfectly suits them. She is the second highest paid actress in the world, and her current net worth is around $120 million, with yearly earnings that fall somewhere between $20 million and $25 million. So, how does she spend that massive net worth? And what unique, expensive luxuries has she recently bought? Let's find out. The landscape gardens are some of the most amazing features of the mansion. I love most that there is no entertainment room, but lots of pathways and places to walk and think, Angelina said. The mansion truly is amazing, but do you think she bought it just to live near Brad? Later in today's video, you are going to find out the most exquisite features of the home, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you a look inside Angelina Jolie's $25 million mansion, so make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. After Angelina's divorce from Brad Pitt, she moved into this mansion with her children, and they couldn't be living a more lavish life. The main property of the mansion received some major upgrades, and the total size the home covers a massive 2.1 acres, which also overlooks a glamorous view of the ocean. The house was first built in 1913, and since then it has been renovated several times. In addition to all the luxuries and beautiful architecture, the house also boasts an amazing view of the hills and ocean. It is even surrounded by famous neighbors including Casey Affleck, Natalie Portman, Lauren Graham, William and David Fincher. Top10realestatedeals.com explained the details of her mansion in the following way. A curved stairway in the foyer, formal living room with fireplace, mahogany panel dining room, library with custom floor-to-ceiling shelving, updated white kitchen with marble counters and restored vintage range. The house comes with a complete stunning architecture and a library that contains hundreds of books. But Angelina shares the real reason she would never leave the mansion. "I wanted it to be close to their dad, who is only 5 minutes away," she said. The most wonderful features of the house are about to come, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The house includes 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. There is also a large patio with well-manicured trees. We know Angelina Jolie loves red roses just by looking at the flowers she planted in her garden. There is also a Hollywood-styled pool with arched fountains, as well as a separate pool for her. One of the most luxurious features of the house is the state-of-the-art gym where Angelina works out to stay in shape. Well, that might be one of the reasons she is so beautiful. Furthermore, when you step inside the house, the very first thing you will notice is the curved stairway, which is one of the main attractions of the mansion. Upstairs, you will find several bedrooms and bathrooms, which have been decorated keeping in mind the original Art Deco style of the property. There is also a tea house and a self-contained guest house, which can accommodate at least a dozen guests at a time. The gardens are the perfect spot for partying, especially when you have the perfect neighbors to party with. Now, you might be wondering if the house is safe for the heart of Hollywood. Well, there is a 24/7 security system that includes guards, cameras, and many other security measures, which keep intruders far away and her kids safe. Angelina has also displayed her art collection at her mansion, which enhances it even more. Her latest projects are expected to make a raise to her net worth and even double it. Her $25 million mansion is one of the most extraordinary mansions in the world. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Angelina Jolie's $25 million mansion? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.